In this chapter, we're going to demonstrate the workflow of converting IFC data that came from a BIM model, convert it into a trench so that we can use it for Trimble EarthWorks or SiteWorks for construction out in the field. In this particular case, because it's a conduit bank and it's not just a gravity-based sewer, you can see that there's a lot of different elevation changes within the duct banks between the vaults or the structures. What we want to do is we want to first model up the utility run using the Trimble utility module, and then from that utility module we're also going to create a trench. So you can see I can drop in the trench template here, and from that trench template what it's going to generate is a surface. So now I can take this surface and utility and I can export it out to SiteWorks or EarthWorks. So I'm going to demonstrate how we go about this in the following videos.